Running Vespa on Kubernetes looks straightforward on paper, but Vespa is not a stateless service you can just containerize and call it done. It's a complex distributed stateful system, one that is deeply hardware and topology dependent. Kubernetes doesn't know any of that out of the box, and that's where the gaps show up fast. Challenge 1. Installation before your first query lands. You have a lot of wiring to do manually. Pods need to discover each other and establish a distributed quorum, especially in HA mode. You need to spread pods across availability zones and hardware. You need network policies that let Vespa nodes talk to each other while blocking everything else. And Vespa is a high-performance system that needs fast local storage. Configuring that correctly on Kubernetes is not a one-liner. Challenge 2. Upgrades. Rolling upgrades on a distributed search system require careful orchestration. You can't just roll all pods simultaneously. You'll either lose availability or degrade performance. You need to take pods down a controlled number at a time, and that logic has to be topology-aware, which availability zone, which replica group. Without that orchestration, upgrades are risky. Challenge 3. Data integrity. This is the hardest one to get right. Vespa manages data across distributed bucket groups. When a pod goes down at the wrong moment, preserving data availability and clean redistribution requires Vespa-aware drain and shutdown handling. Kubernetes gives you lifecycle primitives, but not bucket-aware orchestration out of the box. Challenge 4. Ingress. When a pod is going down, it must stop receiving live traffic before shutdown. That handoff needs to happen cleanly, so queries are not sent to a node that is leaving service. Challenge 5. Failure handling. Hardware fails. Networks partition. Kubernetes can restart failed pods, but it does not understand Vespa-specific cluster semantics. In practice, teams often need operational runbooks to recover safely. Challenge 6. Multi-cluster management. If you're running multiple Vespa clusters, getting a consistent operational view across them usually requires additional tooling and process. Challenge 7. Security patching. CVEs don't stop coming. Keeping Vespa's container images patched, tracking which vulnerabilities affect which versions, and getting tested OTS fixes without breaking your deployment, that's ongoing work that needs a disciplined process. Challenge 8. Monitoring Vespa exposes a lot of internal metrics, but knowing which ones matter, building dashboards that reflect actual cluster health, and correlating metrics to Vespa-specific failure modes takes significant domain expertise to get right. Every one of these problems is solvable, but together they represent months of engineering work and ongoing maintenance after that. That's the real cost of running Vespa on Kubernetes without purpose-built tooling. Enter Kubernetes operator. An operator is especially useful for complex workloads that require significant domain-specific knowledge, such as Vespa. You can certainly use generic Kubernetes primitives like stateful sets, CSI, container storage interface, deployments, and ingress to help address some of those domain-specific challenges. However, when it comes to fully automating the operation of a complex service and handling tasks such as failure recovery, scaling, upgrades, and cluster management, operators are designed to take care of those responsibilities for you. So operator is a pattern. You take all this domain-specific knowledge, you put it behind Kubernetes APIs, you extend the Kubernetes APIs thanks to CRDs, custom resource definitions. So we extended the Kubernetes APIs saying, hey, Kubernetes, this is what Vespa set is. Here are the various principles, here are the various parameters, here's the description that goes alongside that. And the controller is the heart of the operator. It brings those CRDs to life. So there is a reconciliation process, and controllers constantly incrementally move the current state toward the desired state defined in a CRD. It is like a human operator, someone that's usually behind a pager who wakes up and brings the servers back up and fixes things. Now the controllers do all that automatically for you. The controller manages the life cycle of the workload, whether it's creating, upgrading, healing, scaling, failure, recovery. And the real value of an operator is to allow you to embed the domain-specific knowledge, the best practices for how to run a specific workload in a Kubernetes cluster. And where can we get the best practices for running Vespa? It turns out we really didn't have to look very hard. All we had to do was look to our own team internally, because our cloud team has been running the Vespa service for over 8 years in a containerized environment. We've been running on 3 public cloud providers, over 20 production regions globally, and we are constantly adding new regions, tens of thousands of clusters that are active, spinning up and spinning down daily. Can we take all of the learnings, all the operational knowledge we have accumulated over the years, and build a Vespa operator? Can we bring that same level of operational excellence to Kubernetes? That's what we did. Our goal is to make Vespa easier to run on Kubernetes to address the operational concerns we mentioned earlier. Once built, you should not need to worry about pod discovery, topology configuration, network security, data integrity, failure handling, or security patching. We abstract all of those details, and you don't have downtime in any of the lifecycle events. You are still ingesting, your users are still searching. That's the promise we're trying to fulfill. We support multiple enterprise-grade Kubernetes distributions. Whether you're running AKS on Azure, EKS on Amazon, GKE on Google, or vanilla open source Kubernetes, the operator works the same way across all of them. The goal is a consistent operational experience regardless of which cloud you're on. Same tooling, same upgrade patterns, same monitoring, and as Kubernetes evolves quickly, we stay current with the latest API, giving you a truly native Kubernetes experience. And this isn't theoretical skill. Vespa Cloud is serving hundreds of thousands of queries per second, processing upgrades across live deployments continuously without downtime. The engine powering all of that is the same one you get when you run the Vespa operator. The operational excellence we've built for our cloud customers is now available to you on your own infrastructure. Now, one cluster is a great start, but the real world doesn't work in ones. You might start with development. Add production, then a second region, a third. Before long, you're running dozens of clusters. Without purpose-built tooling, you lose visibility. You're piecing together state from each cluster independently, with no unified view of what's running where. The Vespa operator solves this. It maintains a consistent view across all your Vespa application deployments, so you always know the state of every cluster, 1 or 50, and every one of those clusters is automatically secured. Security is not an afterthought, it's baked in from day one. And through LTS coverage, CVEs and critical security fixes are handled, so you're always running on a patched, supported version. As your workloads grow, the operator scales Vespa natively, not just throwing more pots at the problem, but scaling intelligently, respecting the stateful nature of the workload. New versions, config changes, application upgrades, zero downtime, and in the event of hardware failures or network segmentation, which do happen from time to time, the operator can automatically detect the issue and recover the system without manual intervention. No one gets paged at 3 a.m. The operator also bundles Vespa diagnostic tooling and purpose-built metrics dashboards, so you always know what's happening inside your cluster, not just generic Kubernetes health signals. You encode the expertise once, and the operator applies it every time, forever. That is the promise of the Vespa operator. Take the operational excellence of a team that has been running Vespa at scale for years across 3 public clouds, over 20 regions globally, and put it to work for you on day one. You tell it what you want, it figures out how. When configured correctly via the operator, you will maximize performance, minimize downtime, and remove the operational pain from running Vespa at scale. Get started today at 𝗩𝗲𝘀𝗍𝗍𝗍𝗍𝗓.